Welcome to Part 80 of Daily English. Today's situation. School and work review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 8. Hi, I'm new here. Example. Hi, I'm new here. Nice to meet you all. May I ask a question? Example. May I ask a question about today's lesson? Can you help me? Example. Can you help me with this assignment? I'm working on a new project. Example. I'm working on a new project with my coworkers. I have finished the report. Example. I have finished the report before the meeting. Everything is going well. Example. Everything is going well at work. I'll keep you updated. Example. I'll keep you updated on my progress. The deadline is next week. Example. The deadline is next week, so we're working hard. Thank you for your support. Example. Thank you for your support throughout the project. Mini conversation. Manager, how is the project going? Employee, everything is going well. I have finished the report, and I'm working on the presentation. Manager, excellent. When is the deadline? Employee, the deadline is next week. I'll keep you updated. Manager, great work. Thank you for your effort. Daily tip. Excellent work. You can now introduce yourself at school, communicate with teachers and classmates, work with coworkers, speak with your manager, ask for help, give progress updates, and discuss projects. Keep practicing these expressions until they become part of your everyday English. Speaking challenge. Imagine it's your first week at a new school or a new job. Introduce yourself, ask questions, ask for help, talk about your work or project, give a progress update, thank the people who helped you, and tell the complete story using at least 10 sentences. Congratulations on finishing Unit 8. Subscribe for Unit 9. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.